Problem number 2. Josh planned to build a ramp from his window to the sidewalk so he could rollerblade right out his window on his way to school. His window is 7 feet off the ground and the sidewalk is 35 feet from his house. Draw a diagram to represent the situation. So he wants, let's just say that he wants to be able to build a ramp from his window. So that's his window, and this is going to be a ramp. And it says that his window is 7 feet off the ground, right? So this is his window, and that's 7 feet off the ground, and the sidewalk is 35. And this is 35 feet from his house. So this is kind of the ramp's gonna look like. And the question number B is, he knows that if the angle the ramp makes with the ground is more than 30, he will gain too much speed and lose control when he hits the sidewalk. What is the angle his ramp will make with the ground? Is his ramp plan safe? Okay, so this is our angle, reference angle. Let's just say angle A. And for we know opposite side and adjacent side, right? So let's just say we have these two sides, and that means we can find inverse of tangent A, right? Equals, so tangent A equals opposite, which is 7 over adjacent side 35. So that means now we can find the angle. So we're going to use our calculator. Again, we need to make sure that it's in degree mode and also inverse, right? So inverse tangent of angle A, right? So it's 7 divided by 35 equals, so angle A, measure of angle A is approximately 11.3. So, and there was a question about safety. So, is this degree 11.3 is less than 30? Remember, if it is more than 30 degrees, then it is not safe. And we see that right now, with this angle, his ramp plan is safe because it's less than 30 degrees. So angle A is safe, right? Because it's less than 30 degrees.